Hello, wonderful English learners. Welcome to your listening practice. Today, we're going to relax and just listen. Close your eyes if you like, and simply focus on the sounds and the story. There are no visuals, just your ears and your imagination. We'll be listening to a short story about a very pleasant day. Pay attention to the words, even if you don't know them all right away. We'll go over some important ones afterwards. Are you ready? Let's begin. It was a beautiful Saturday morning. The sun was shining brightly, and a gentle breeze rustled the leaves on the trees. Sarah woke up feeling wonderfully rested. She stretched slowly, a happy smile on her face. First, she went to the kitchen to make some coffee. The rich, warm aroma filled the air, making her feel even more relaxed. She poured herself a cup and sat by the window, watching the world outside. A tiny bird chirped happily on a branch nearby. After her coffee, Sarah decided to take a walk in the park. The park was full of vibrant flowers of many colors, red, yellow, and bright pink. Children were playing, their joyful laughter echoing through the trees. She saw people walking their dogs and others simply enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. Later, she stopped at a small cafe for lunch. She ordered a fresh salad and a glass of refreshing lemonade. The food was delicious, and the quiet background chatter of other customers was comforting. In the afternoon, Sarah decided to read a book. She found a comfortable spot on her sofa, wrapped herself in a soft blanket, and lost herself in a captivating story. It was a perfect way to spend the afternoon. As evening approached, a soft, golden light filled her room. Sarah felt a deep sense of peace and contentment. It had been a truly wonderful and relaxing day. She was grateful for the simple joys and the quiet moments. And that was her perfect Saturday. Now, how did that feel? Don't worry if you didn't understand every single word. The most important thing is that you were listening. Next, we're going to go through some of the words you just heard. First word, rustled. Meaning: a soft, muffled crackling sound like that caused by the movement of dry leaves. For example, the dry leaves rustled underfoot as she walked through the autumn forest. Next word, aroma. A aroma is a distinctive, typically pleasant smell. For example, the rich, warm aroma filled the air, making her feel even more relaxed. Next word, poured. Meaning, it means flow rapidly in a steady stream. For example, she poured herself a cup of coffee. Next word, chirp. Meaning a short, sharp, high-pitched sound of a small bird or an insect. For example, a tiny bird chirped happily on a branch nearby. Next word, vibrant. Meaning full of energy and life. For example, the park was full of vibrant flowers of many colors. Next word, echoing. Meaning repeated or reverberating after the original sound has stopped. For example, their joyful laughter echoing through the trees. Next word, lemonade. Meaning a drink made from lemon juice and water sweetened with sugar. For example, she ordered a fresh salad and a glass of refreshing lemonade. Next word, chatter. Meaning talk informally about unimportant matters. For example, the quiet background chatter of other customers was comforting. Next word, wrap. Meaning cover or enclose oneself or object. For example, she wrapped herself in a soft blanket. Next word, captivating. Meaning capable of attracting and holding interest, charming. For example, it was really a captivating story. Next word, contentment. Meaning a state of happiness and satisfaction. For example, Sarah felt a deep sense of peace and contentment. Next word, grateful. Meaning feeling or showing an appreciation for something done. For example, she was grateful for the simple joys and the quiet moments. I hope you enjoyed this listening session. If you did, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload.